In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Backbone controller on the PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Backbone controller for any PlayStation 4 titles that you own. This is going to be primarily done through PlayStation Remote Play, so it allows you to remotely play any games on your PlayStation 4 console using your Backbone controller and your phone. So all that you have to do is open the latest version of the Backbone app, and in there you will be able to find the PlayStation Remote Play application. Before you proceed by opening this up, I recommend that you go over to your PlayStation 4 console and you access the settings. Inside of the settings, one of the options is going to be Remote Play Connection Settings. In here is where you can enable Remote Play and make sure that it gets detected. So go over to Remote Play Connection Settings and enable it by taking the option at the top of the screen. You will then be able to go back into the Backbone controller and, like I said, open the PlayStation Remote Play application. You will get easy to follow instructions on screen on how to properly set it up, and this allows you to use all of the buttons and controllers on the actual Backbone to play any game that you own on the PlayStation 4. So you will be able to use your phone's screen to play. Just go through with the setup, and once it is done, you can access the entire library that you have on your PlayStation Network account. Just make sure that Remote Play is enabled on the actual console, and the process is going to be the same for PlayStation 5 as well. So if you ever upgrade, just follow the exact same steps of enabling Remote Play, go back into the Backbone, and choose the option to use Remote Play there. Make sure that you choose the appropriate console if prompted to do so, and afterwards start playing. You can tap on the screen at any time to get additional controls or instructions, and this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Backbone controller on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.